The divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. If it's divisible by 2, it ends in an even number. Now, even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So if a number ends in one of these digits, and if a number ends in one of these other numbers, it's divisible by 2. If it's divisible by 5, the number will end in 5 or 0. And if it's divisible by 10, the number ends in 0. So 384 ends in an even number, so it is divisible by 2. That number is 4, so it's not 5, 0, 5, or 0. Okay, so it's not divisible by 10 or 5. 897, okay, that 7 is not a 2, 4, 6, or 8, so it's not divisible by 2. And it doesn't end in 5 or 0, so it's not divisible by 5 or 0, and it doesn't, so it's not divisible by 5 or 10. So this doesn't check off any of the boxes. Okay, this 0, you have 0 at the end, so that's divisible by 2. And you have 0 at the end, so it's also divisible by 5 and 10. Now, the only time you check off none of these in a chart like this is if when you're going across, so divisible by 2, it has two things it's divisible by, so you wouldn't check off none of these. 10 has one number and 5 has one number. So in a chart like this, the only time you would click none of these is if you don't have any check boxes in a horizontal row.